Hello YouTube, Aaron here, or Claude Mods, which is my online name. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing Google AI Studio. Um, I will be honest, I have been using it for about a month and a half now. And for those that do know my channel, you're probably wondering, well, why haven't I seen nothing in your GitHub repository? And that's because I have basically privatized the code because it took me a while. Yeah, well, 2 months it says on here. I just recently made something called a DNS manager, which is basically well, it allows you to change your DNS on your phone as well. Um, for those as well that know my channel, I haven't recently been providing any videos of making anything. I'm just showing things that I've made. In this video today, I'm going to be showing how to basically use Google AI Studio and give you a little take on it. I've not really had many issues. Of course, you're going to have issues with AI, but in terms of building a fully functional app to what I need it, you actually get there in the end. Uh, there's a few code errors and whatnot here and there, but as you will see in my two apps that I will just show, they seem to work just perfectly fine once I get to that stage of, it's not making any more code errors and the features that I've asked it to add basically work. So Claude Call was essentially an app that I've made to block calls. Now, I had an app back in the day that I used to pay for because it was so good that when someone called you, it would block the call and then drop the call. And I found that that's not working with newer Android builds. So now, basically, given my idea of how that app functions, the app basically cancels the blocked calls. So if they try and ring you and they're in a block list, it will cancel the call so you can then make a call as they're calling you. And that's how I wanted. That's what I needed it to do basically. And there's loads of other functions in it. It's still beta. Google AI Studio is still beta. I can't publish it. I have an account that I've paid for with the Google terminal. But yeah, there's nothing more to it. I'm going to play my song and then I'm going to show you these two apps on my Samsung S26 Ultra, which I will show is running on Android 17 with One UI 9.0. And I also have a Samsung S25 Ultra and a Samsung S24 Ultra. And I also have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite or Lite or however people call it. I don't know. I have a iPhone 14 that obviously doesn't run using Kotlin applications, since Kotlin is obviously for Android, and Swift is what I believe iPhones use. I do use the developer edition on here. It's just that you have to pay to make the apps, which is why I haven't made anything. And since this is an iPhone 14, it's not going to be many years that I can continuously build on it. Whereas these are pretty up to date phones. So we're going to go with the latest version of Android 17 with One UI 9. I've got whatever this is called here. I can't pronounce it. I will not pronounce it, but this is well-known software to connect to the phone and basically show you how it's working. So um, since it's such a pricey phone, I don't really want to be putting it on my stuff. So it's telling me that it's failed, but yeah. So I essentially want to make a browser today. In this video, I want to make a browser. Um, if I come here, GitHub, Claude Mods, we might have some sort of a delay since I am using my other Samsung, the one that's providing the internet. So I make a lot of Linux applications and I'm now getting into Windows. I did make some Android applications in the past with Android. I can't remember what it's called. The Android provide their own tool to making apps, and it for me using an AI bot such as DeepSeek, which is what I was using at the time, I was having so many code errors. Whereas Google AI is new now, and I find that it's actually really good at the job. You get a few errors, but you get there at the end of the day, which is obviously typical for an AI bot. But with Linux, I made a browser. Now I kind of want to mimic this browser in the features respect, where I want the island to be at the bottom. I'm not going to be able to replicate everything here. I might not even publish this application through the Google console or on the Google Play Store. This is just something to show how to use the Google AI Studio and how it works. So of course this is just for the fun of it. But yeah, there's nothing more to it. With this application here, I've also got it installed on my phone so I can show you how that works. With the DNS manager, which I just open sourced not too long ago, about an hour ago now, where I've just pitched up, got myself a coffee and thought, right, what can I put on YouTube that's different? How can I change up the video? We have this application here. This was taken on my Samsung. I wasn't using this application here at the time, so it's a full screen photo. Essentially, it allows you to change different DNS servers, and well, it just works fine. It's free, of course. It's open source. The files are there, and it was built with Google AI Studio. That being said, I'm going to play my songs for today. I've got 3 of them. I don't know how long this video is going to go on for. Google AI Studio also has a limit. I have put about 4 responses through, so we probably have the best bet of maybe 10 responses, if not a little bit more. I do have Google Pro, so maybe that might help, but there is a limit. Last time I used it all like for a few hours, I'm pretty sure I hit the limit after a few hours, and then it told me to wait 24 hours, which I'm all for because I haven't really got much to add to my other apps I've made. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I've turned the music down in this one. Sorry if you don't like the music. It's not called vibe coding for no reason, and this is my sort of music that I play, I guess. So, I'm going to get with the applications I've made. So Claude Call essentially has these features. You can make it the default app. You need to set the defaults for it to all work. You can block unknown calls, direct a voicemail, announce the callers, announce notifications. So anything that comes through from another app, it will tell you. So if I get a message from myself named Aaron, it will say, Aaron has sent you a text message, and it will tell you the text message, and it also LED flash at the same time, and you can change to different voices. And there's a feature to change the background. I've been playing some games, Crimson Desert, and also I played Grand RP. For those that know, I played Grand RP. We can record the calls as well. That works perfectly fine. We get recent calls. We've got a block list with the contacts. You can, well, I'm going to have to edit this now not to show the contacts, but essentially we can change the contact photos. We can also type in people's number. So if I type in a number, this is no one's number that I know. You can do that, and you can also copy and paste other people's numbers in here. Haven't got anything to paste at the moment. We can also change now to different DNSs. So this runs in the background. It also shows you that you're running on the DNS. I do have another one installed, so that doesn't help. If I come here and type in the other one, that's my one there. This is the other one. I should have a notification, maybe I don't. Did I change it so that we have the notification? It does pop up to add it as a notification in the thingy, but for some reason that doesn't work now. So you can do it. So yeah, that they're connected to AdGuard is what I'm using at the moment. AdGuard seems to work fine. It allows me to block ads. Apparently, I'm yet to test that feature. We're going to go with second song for today. I actually have them in a list. The list was working. Let's go with the playlist. I don't know why it's removing my songs. I don't want to be doing no Windows work at the same time. What's going on? Why can't I add this now to the list? Okay, well, we'll add these to the list now. What's going on? Oh, so now we've got two of the same, so we'll delete that. So yeah, they're my apps that I have created. Today I want to make a browser. I want to make it grey with a navy blue theme. We have some icons from the old browser. I'm not too sure if I want to use them, but yeah, let's see what we can get at least. Something cheap, you know, but also it needs to function how I want it to function. So I'm not sure if this makes any other type of apps, but of course we have the Android building app feature. Oh, so yeah, I want to show that I am running on the latest Android provided as a beta, One UI 9.0, and software information. I've got another browser open in the background just to see what. I haven't got it to play all the songs in a certain order. Go back here. So I want to make an Android browser for. I want to make an Android browser for Android 16 Plus using latest Kotlin with features for a home button to open to start page. With features for a home button to open to startpage.com. It should already open to this. I need incognito mode, bookmarking, tabs, search, downloads, and history. Now that isn't the order that I want it in, but essentially that is what I would like. Island at the bottom. Button for the functions. Gonna work for one, okay? So button 1 should be home. Button 2 should the URL bar should be at the top. Should be bookmarks. I don't know if I'm spelling this right. Incognito. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. Also add a URL bar at the top and make the theme grey and navy blue. Now this is just a basic browser app. I essentially told it what I would like in a box. Let's see where we can get with this, see what else we can add. Maybe we can add something like a download checker. So like you've got in the menu a speed checker, and well, we'll get to that after this, but call it Apex browser. I'll call it the Claude browser, I don't know, or something new in it. Call it Claude browser. Well, let's get with that. I'm gonna get back to vibe coding with the same music I was playing halfway through. See what it makes. We're not using the pro version either for some reason. For those that are looking for how to get icons, this is what I normally use. It does say to tribute people, but you can edit it yourself if you want. You don't have to tribute anyone. So I normally would click on the icon. I'd go for something that's around 64 pixels, and then we just download it. I don't know where it's going to take me to get this. We need to change that into an icon, so I would go. No, we don't. We can just upload that. I'm not with it this morning. It's pretty neat to me. Look at the version, yeah, like it's been made already. Oh. So we've got all these different things that we can choose when you're making. That looks like what I would like. Is that open internet start page? I don't know why we would want the Claude browser to be in the bottom there. But I do like this one, but I wouldn't really want that in the middle because that will put people off. It doesn't give you the full browsing experience that we need, that we're looking for, you know. I'll probably go with this one. This one looks pretty neat. The elegant dark. And we can move that bar down, make that text smaller and bring it up above the bar maybe, or something, I don't know, because having that like that essentially for me doesn't do it. It's not what I want. But we'll see. We're gonna let it make its stuff, and then we will get to rearranging it a little bit, adding some extra features. Just to see how far we can get with this before it chucks us off, or there's nothing really else we can add. I don't want to really make this too long. I would like to keep this short, sweet and simple, but at the same time have fun with it, It's been a while since I've shown making anything or what I do. So I'm gonna go with another song. I'm gonna ask it to add this icon. We'll add the icon after. Where did I put it? Videos. Speed test is something I haven't seen in any browser. I currently use Opera GX, which is what I'm using on here, Brave, and well, I used to use Firefox in the past. Brave could be very heavy. For my PC, I use Opera GX. I've always wanted to bring that to Linux, but yeah. What else can we add in there? Speed test. This is coming out to be pretty cool. I'll be honest with you. Some of the functions that I come up with off the top of my head can be quite crafty and unique. I'm not the best. I'm using a bot, of course. Nice. So we're on start page, and we can type using an app in an app. We can test it on here. We've got incognito mode, browser history, downloads, desktop type version. Doesn't work. Tabs. Pretty neat. It's decentralized is the word. We're gonna add this icon. Always in videos. See what else we can add. It is currently 15 minutes past 6 in the morning where I am. I've been gaming all day. I've really got into this game called Crimson Desert, and I've completed it now, and there's so many other quests and stuff that I want to do. The final boss match to me was a joke. It's like there was some flying thing. There's 12. I think there's like 12 bosses and many bosses around the map that you have to delete. If I remember correctly, I completed over the space of like 7 days, and that was only because I stopped to do some of the quests for the camp. 3 days, I think, or 2.5 days. But yeah, essentially the last boss was a person that disappears and then comes back, disappears and comes back, and I got past that bit, and it turned into some wings that are just hanging off a brick wall, or it's like some brick wall wing thing, and it's shooting lasers left, lasers right, lasers front, lasers. I'm just thinking, this is overkill for a last boss, you know, the main character basically. I'm thinking, this is crazy. Like, I don't even know how I did it to this day. So what's this? It's told me he's made some changes and not even installed it. Well, what we'll do is we'll install it to my phone that we've got plugged in. Nah, because Scrapsy's open, it's gonna ask me to fucking. Now I'll try it. Scrapsy's open, so it's not reading it right. So if we do that now it's gonna download it, and install it, and then it's gonna open it, and then we're gonna need Scrapsy, which is, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know where I put Scraps. Okay, so we've got the browser here. It's not got what I want. You haven't added what I added. Where's the stuff, bruv? Where is all of that stuff? Now, hopefully it doesn't change the desktop mode and the new browser mode, but that works, seems to work. We've got any incognito mode, I don't know why. We can type in the search bar, say if we go to Claude Mods. Is it going to take me to the website? We've got some issues already, of course. So if we go here. So that works. It takes me to the website. Website seems to function. The incognito mode clearly doesn't work. I need to tell it. What the hell? I don't see no changes. Oh, this has been slow. Make the changes. Do not. Why is it not making any changes on here? What the hell? So we essentially need to delete the app off of this fake phone that we've got here because, well, we shouldn't have to, but for some reason it's not making any changes. It's not even installing the app. So on here, this is where I'm at. The incognito mode doesn't work like it should. It's a fake feature. The normal features seem to work, so I can go to my website. For some reason, if I come back to the page, it doesn't work. There's a lot that needs to be fixed. As you can see, if I click the home button, it doesn't do anything. No saved bookmarks. How do I even add a bookmark? You can share the page at least, but the bookmarking function is not a function. So and the UI just seems to play up. So yeah, I am on Badoo, funny enough. For those that want to have a laugh, why not? So the bookmarking function's here. If we go to bookmarks, we can see that it's saved as a bookmark. You can delete it. You can search privately, obviously on the website. The incognito mode doesn't work. We go to, I don't know what we can download at this point in time. Incognito, maybe we need to turn the incognito mode on, and then we can type nothing. I don't know. Oh, I don't know what it's doing. Where's the set default flipping browser as well? Like we asked that, didn't we? Now, if I really wanted to make this like what I would believe to be a production app, I would sit there for hours and hours and hours and hours. If I can get all the functions that we've got in the app now working, then I'm going to probably call it a day. And there's nothing really more to it. So we obviously got some of the new functions now. So I don't know how that works. It's pretty neat to me. That is essentially how I would like it to be. So if we install it to the phone, which is not going to work because we've got Scrapsy. I think I should just move all of these files to a place so I don't have to keep editing this video because there's going to be some things now that I'm going to want to delete out of the video. So I will be doing some editing, I guess. But if we move this to here, we cancel this. Nice. And then we can install the app again. I won't play any music. What I'll do is I'll just allow that. This one. What is it trying to connect? I'm going to be here all night, and I'm going to be here all day making an app. Okay, allow this. No, what? I don't know what is picking up now because Scrapsy's not even on, apparently. Retry. Install. What the fuck? Why? What is Scrapsy doing that? It's making this 10 times harder for me now. Scrapsy shouldn't be running in the background or whatever it's called. Just got to make 10 things up times harder. I don't want to be here all day doing this. Why is it? I don't want the key though. Cancel that and then retry. I don't know what this is doing. So, Android debugging mode needs to be turned off, I guess. Clearly, because something is messing up. So if we turn the debugging mode off, that'll reset the whole thing. Turn it back on. Try that again. It's going to say allow. And it's going to install. Nice. Okay, that's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to turn the debugging mode off, then turn it back on because it resets the whole thing. And then when we're using Scrapsy, that's what we're going to do basically. So, I don't know why we've got another one here. Just popped up. It's asked me to allow. Right, so this is the new browser. We've got a speed checking test. We're going to see. My speed should be around 30. No, it needs to do it for like, well, it needs to do it for like 10 seconds, but essentially it does work. The upload is about right. No, my download speed should be around 300 megabytes. My upload should be around 20 to 30 megabytes. So we need it to test for around about 30 seconds, I'd say. That seems to work perfectly fine now. We can remove bookmarks. It's not really how I would like it. Setting it as a default browser doesn't work. Incognito mode. Okay, so we need to say do you. What else? Well, we're not actually looking at it anymore. So what else? What else are we looking at? That doesn't work. The desktop mode doesn't work. Incognito mode doesn't work. The home button doesn't work. And also the let's say about 30 seconds. I don't know, 20 seconds. 30 seconds, about 15 seconds. I'll say 30 seconds is a bit too long. 15. We'll go with that, see how it works. The icon's a bit messed up as well, but Yeah, let's just try and get some of these functions to work at least. We default browser home button doesn't work, and also the default browser button doesn't work. Also check the speed for 15 seconds. The desktop site doesn't work. Exit in the browser seems to work. Very nice. Okay, you got something right. So if we go back to this and we exit the browser, I'll show you what I mean. And the icon, this is my son in the background on my phone. It's my personal phone, of course. What we've got is we don't need a free VPN anymore. We can delete that. Claw Connect doesn't work. There's some things that need to be deleted. Miracast is no good. I was trying to get this to show on the PC. Claude browser, of course, is using a capital C, which I don't like. I like to lowercase my name or brand, should I say. Yeah, I like the theme, and it seems to be saving the settings. It works better than my Apex browser. Um, Start browser or start page is obviously going to have to be an option because with browsers now they need to have a set certain set amount of options, shall I say, that you can choose from. You can't just have one browser page. So I'm going to go for start page, Google, Brave. I'm not really too sure of any others, but I'm going to go with them three. And I don't know, maybe you can change that with another setting that I'll add. Having it like this essentially kind of makes it a bit long because you have to scroll down and whatever. Setting as a default browser doesn't work. I don't think. If we go to I have to go to apps. Might have to do a bit of a search for this. What else? Did it install it? Why are you not installing it? I don't think it's installing it. We've asked it to check for threat. Nah, seems to be working. It would be nice if it just done that. It'd be nice. So we're going to turn it off, reset it, and then go completely brand new and try again. No, because we've got Scrapsy open. If we delete Scrapsy, turn that off, unplug it. Oh, maybe we don't need to unplug it now. Maybe let's not unplug it. Let's turn it off and on. Retry. Seems to be working that way. There's no point unplugging it, plugging it in and plugging it out. It's just I'm cleaning the USB port, the USB Type C port, but I don't want to break my cable, you know. Cleaning it. Okay, so now we're back here. We've got the new 15-second speed test that should allow me to see well over 100 megabytes. The ping will be high. The download, I don't know why it's taking so long. So I will. It's being rich now. Okay, what other features can we test? So I normally get about 300. It seems about right. Um, Desktop function seems to do something. I don't know. Incognito mode doesn't work. We create any, yeah, so that doesn't work. Close it. We exit it. Come back here. Open it again. Go to incognito mode. Incognito mode breaks the search bar. Is it fully implemented and not broken? What else? The set default browser doesn't work. What else? So what did we ask it to do? The home button. If I close the app again and then go to the home button, so we go to Claude mods. Yeah, and then we click the home button. Seems to work. Very, very nice. Also, a option in the three dotted menu settings. Being a bit slow for some reason. Right. Um, what else? So the remove bookmark function, what does it do? It removes all the bookmarks. Oh no, so if you're on the page, you can add it as a bookmark. Very nice. If I go to my website that I created, so we're not actually seeing it on the screen, are we? So if we go to the website, we got history, right? We should have working history. We go to my website and we add that. No, if we come back here, it says add as a bookmark. If I do that, it's going to say remove as a bookmark. Then do we have a bookmark option? Default start page to. Hmm? Oh no, this is the bookmarks. Yeah, we don't need that. I don't know why this is being so slow. It's probably because of that app. What else can we do? Um, Downloads, recent tabs. No, so new tab. Go to bookmarks. Take me to here. Make sure the UI doesn't break for any of the features. Well, we've asked it to do quite a lot. I don't really like throwing too much at the bot to do it one time because sometimes it actually doesn't do it. And I also, which I haven't done at the moment, is like to say do not change or remove anything else because the bot seems to have a mind of its own. It'll be like, oh, yeah, do you know what? That fucked up. So I'm going to remove that old feature that was working perfectly fine, and then I'm going to come up with what you just told me to. Don't ask me why it does that. It just seems to be something. Just play some music, eh? Come on, put this on. Aaron's basic shitty browser. Why not? Shitty browser. I can't see the page and you want me to search it. Shitty browser. Oh. Oh no. Well, repeat mode is fine, but you're not repeating a song that I told you to play, huh? No. Repeat this one. Shuffle mode's not on, so why is it? Shuffle mode's not on. How about we just remove these from the list? Nice. I think what I'll do next is I'll test it on the good old tablet that's got 13% on it. "10 years later, Junior will provide me with working code." I'm pretty sure you can see like the errors pop up here and it tells you what it's doing. This is a debug. Open API. What the hell is this? This is Google's back end, Dave. I don't know how far we're going to get with this, people, but it's worth a try. Doesn't take you to the settings to show the default applications. Oh, that's the exit button. Ooh, nice. Okay. Well, make sure everything fits into. Pretty decent. I like it. Okay, so doesn't when I turn on incognito, it goes completely white. What? It's probably making it. Spell colour the American way, why not? What else would we say that it's not working? Default browser. Default browser. The thing works. Really nice. I like that feature. If we come here and we go to this, I like it. Okay, so I want to test the search feature quick. So if we search something, that will take you to that. It don't work. If we go back here and we go to one of these, it seems to work, but that's not what my website looks like. We'll go to desktop mode. For some reason it doesn't work. Let's see if we can. Let's see if Google AI Studio can come up with one unique, useful option for the three-dotted menu. This is something I've never done. It's something to try. Unique option. If we have not any. Let's put one. Have one useful, unique option for the three-dotted menu, and also this is being slow. Let's rage bait the keyboard and snap it off to it. The bot's not doing what I want it to do. I've been here for 3 hours. I've had enough. Give me a fag. I'm going for a fag. That's what I used to be like. But I've been thinking, like, I've had enough. I'm going for a fag. I've been there for like fucking 12 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours. I don't think I've ever done 24 hours with no sleep, but I've been close to it. And part of me just said, right, I need to come away from the coding for a little bit and get back into gaming, and that's what got me into Grand RP. And I was like, well, now I need to base around the stuff that I do, which is music making, of course, software making, and gaming. We of course need to stop playing the same music because it's kind of aggravating me. I do like Dangerous, so if I can find Dangerous, just doing it again. Dangerous. Remove that from the list. Come on, Google AI, don't let me down, or I'm gonna have to smoke 100 fags. But I'm probably not going to spend much more time on it. I've been on here how long now? I don't know. 1 hour and 5 minutes. So I'm going to try and keep this short, sweet, and simple, like I said at the start. Let's see if we can get any of the functions that I've asked it to do to work fine now. Maybe add one or two more, and try and fix some other stuff. But really and truly, I don't think I've done too bad with the time that I've spent rage baiting my keyboard and Google AI. You know, fucking do what I want you to do. It's actually, I'd say it's a lot better than DeepSeek. DeepSeek itself can obviously generate thousands of lines of code, which is perfect for me. Like, one of my documents, or a couple of my things, like my website is like 2009. So if we go on here, we can see the code to my website and a lot of other things. But so like my website is here. It's all open source. So if anyone wants to like, if I go on my website, I just went on it the other day and it stopped working. I was like, so I think it's time to sort it out. Was reloaded. .co.uk. So this is my website. It's what it's meant to look like. It will have some music which I need to delete the page for, but essentially the code to that, which is called index.php, is 2000 lines long and built from DeepSeek. It's wild what DeepSeek can do. So if you give it something to make and it's too hard, it's going to tell you halfway through you can't implement a feature or some crap, you know. And if you tell it, well, I need all of these features, and try and show it out, it might tell you, well, I can't do 2000 lines. You get a little ding from Google AI as well when it's done. But you can get it at the end of the day. It just takes a bit of, all right, make this feature, then make that feature, then make this feature, then make that feature. Don't tell it to make 101 at one time because it can't process it all. So the privacy mode. What we can do is change the setting again. I'm into drum and bass, neurofunk. If you don't know, then now you know. I'm gonna get down with a few beats, I guess. Let's close this. Open this back up. Go to install. Retry. Don't do this again. So we need to hit it with retry as soon as it comes up. I've done it again. What are we doing? So turn it on, retry, allow. Oh no. This is it can be quite aggravating, I guess. What do we do? What do we do? This is where you rage bait. What is it doing? I don't understand exactly why it's doing this. It provides you a key, you click allow, and it doesn't work. Well, I'm gonna go all day, mate. And if I cancel the key, it doesn't work. I just had it. What? So what the hell? If I unplug it now, because it's probably in ADB mode, thinking, alright. I'm in that mood now where I've had enough. What is it doing? Okay. Well, we connect my tablet, which doesn't have developer mode on, by the way. Tablet's obviously not going to be as fast. Why? When I click allow, it doesn't work now. Is the website having a joke or something? The hell? We're not connected to stupid script. I allow the key and it just doesn't want to use the key. What am I doing wrong, guys? They need to make an Android app for this, man. Come on, what do you mean? Damn. This is the only problem I'm getting. It just doesn't want to install. Maybe the wire's playing up. It is my only wire as well, so I will be annoyed. What is trying to connect to it? What are you connecting to, mate? What if I don't want you to connect to that? Is there any way to turn it off? Cancel your shit, man. Is ADB running in the background? Because I've had enough. What is running? Yeah, adb.exe. Bye bye. Hey, DB. Oh, the wire's a bit funky. Hey, DB. Get off of my system, mate. Alright. We're using the tablet version of it now. Wait, what? Hey, tablet version of it now. Very nice, very nice. So we've got ad tracking in shield mode. So what is the point of having incognito? It's trash. What did we just ask it to do? Looks better now though. Still want to fucking snap the keyboard in half, but sounds about right. Because I am connected to my other. I am connected to my other internet. Well, you know how it goes. What else? Changing the theme. Alright. What else? Any other ideas? Show you what I'm actually doing. So if we go back to here and turn incognito mode off, it doesn't take me back. So we need to turn that feature into nothing. It's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. It's a rubbish feature. It just doesn't understand what I'm trying to tell it to do. It ruins the theme. I've got another picture of my son on this one. Where's the browser? And if we go to like desktop mode, what does it actually do? Desktop mode turns the flipping taskbar, the bar into something, I don't know. Desktop mode will turn the app into a desktop. No? Or maybe that's how the bar is. What if we go to Google, because Google has its own mobile site. If we go to settings, and we go to Google search and done, the mobile stuff doesn't work. No, desktop site doesn't work. I don't know. It's pretty decent, I guess. Also, what we'll do is we play another song. I'm actually getting into this, but I don't want to be at it for too long. Where's my playlist? Okay, so let's get back to business. Remove the incognito mode, which I've spelled incorrectly yet again. Sorry, people. I'm not dyslexic. I just can't spell certain words. As well as that, I guess I'm trying to just type fast. Remove incognito mode. It's trash. Make sure all icons are visible in every frame available, and make sure the three-dotted menu and the settings is up to update today. updated to the UI colors as well. It uh, for the themes. The desktop feature doesn't work. The site is still for mobiles. Also add another unique feature to the three dotted menu. I don't know if having this many things in the three dotted menu makes any sense. You know, that you have to basically scroll down. But for the most part, I'd say everything is essentially how I would like my browser to be. Maybe I could change the icon for the browser to be the bird like it is with this, since it's called Claude browser, so I could make like a red C or something. When low, I don't think I'm going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have it. I don't know if it does it already because I ain't really been paying attention. Reloading, it does that there. It does the icon. So what I can do is to put the icon. I load in, show the icon like it is, and put text in red Claude browser. The date today is the 30th of the 7th, 2026. Well, I don't know what else I can do. Maybe we can add like a music playing function where you could add music and it can play whilst you're browsing or some shit. I don't know. This really is just for fun, and I'm trying to do the most I can to show the most. Obviously, there's going to be some functions that don't work or it doesn't understand, and incognito mode seems crap. Just doesn't do what I've asked it to do, as you can see. If we come back to it and we try and open a new tab, it just mucks me about. I don't know what this is meant to be. Oh, Scooter! It doesn't actually do anything. It doesn't search anything. It's just giving me crap. So we'll go with one last song for today. We'll give it this little thing, and I think we're going to call it a day. So this was my favourite song for today. This is the one that I'm going to add to the list. Most of you might not like it, but bit of neurofunk, eh? Is it? Is it neurofunk? You tell me. So now we know to remove ADB if we're using this software here called Scratchy or whatever it's called. And then essentially, yeah. So S10 is using Android 16. The S10 Elite tablet is using Android 16, I believe. One UI 8.5. On One UI, and we're also on Android 16. Now, every single one of these Android devices that I have, these are the two Samsung S25 and S26 and S24, are all running pretty much the same software. So I don't know if it's going to work on any other phone other than these, but it is showing that it's working on the Google Pixel, as you can see here. Give it one last blast. It's the Last Lance Dance Band. No, Last Lance Vance Dance. And then we're going to blow it up and fucking kill it. So basically, in GTA Vice City, which is one of the games I used to play, the last mission I'm for Vance. It's Vice City Stories. the last mission you ever meet Vance, which is the brother to the main character, is called the Last Lance Dance Vance. No, last Lance Vance Dance, is it? The Last Lance Vance Dance. And he essentially fucking dies.
Alright, baby. This is the Lance Vance Dance. This is the last dance for Lance Vance. Pick the wrong side, Lance.
That ain't the mission. He basically has to go around the town. He's got to go around the town on a motorbike.
They was a guy's beer.
And you got to basically drive him around town in a car. Sorry, and there's all these people that come after him, and then at the end of it, he basically dies. They kill him, and yeah. But that's what I was saying. This has the last Lance Vance dance, and then blow it up and go to sleep, right? Heaven in the morning, crack of dawning, yawning, whilst everyone else is spawning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install it on all my phones as well. Don't know if I've got developer mode on all of them, but I can do that now. Android debugging mode. Oh, come on, the last Lance Vance dance. I want to blow it up already. Okay, seems to be getting somewhere. So if we change it, well, we'll install it because it's better to look at a big screen than using this website. Last dance. Yeah, boy. Thank you very much, mate. So we asked it to change the theme, and we said to remove the crappy fucking shit. And we've got this now also here. Very nice. Okay, we didn't ask that. So if we go to themes, themes should work for all. It was this one that was doing me because I couldn't see the icons. It's pretty unique, I guess. It's not really what I would be using. The daylight mode is pretty nice. I would like some more dark themes, to be fair. That's something I would like to add. We also asked for, if we unpack here, three-dotted menu, update the themes, custom. So when we come into the browser, we've got the browser. It will load into it, and hopefully, that doesn't help, does it? That's the one thing I don't like. Have we turned on Dex mode or some crap? Because I don't like Dex mode. We have turned Dex mode off. It doesn't like to work in Dex mode then. So we want to exit the browser and come back into it, and it should say the name of the thing. Well, I'm gonna have to obviously do that next time. Let's change the name of it. Let's give us the name of the browser. What else did we add? Well, the UI is what I wanted it to do. The logo, change the name of it, and the desktop feature doesn't work. So let's try and sort that out, I guess. See if that works. I mean, well, I'm not too sure what's going on with the desktop function. If we do that, go to home. Okay, seems to work now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'll be honest with you people, I think that is it for today. I don't know what else to add into this. It's an ongoing, well actually, let's upload this to GitHub so we can get the code at any time. Decentralized Android browser. Makes perfect sense because that's what it is. And we're going to make it public for anyone that wants to see the code and get the code. Why not? Have a little go yourself using Google AI Studio. I hope you enjoyed watching me today. Rage bait my keyboard and Google AI. I don't know what to say. Why is it not letting me stage? It's not letting me publish it now. There we go. So this is how we upload to GitHub, and then I can show you that it's on my GitHub. I'll close all this crap. Right, it's a Claude browser, decentralized Android browser, built to be fast, simple, and unique. And what we can do is we can just get a little picture of it. And just make a, I don't know why it removed the README when I never asked for one. How about add a readme? Let's see if we can do that. I've not tried that yet. I don't think it's going to work. What the hell? Alright, well, what's this tablet? I'll be using it over the next couple of days and just see what I think about it. I guess and come up with some other crazy ideas for it. But for the meantime, I guess essentially how I would like it. My ABD. This was it. I need to plug in. To help if I plugged in the right wire. Have they? Nice, it done a readme properly as well, like in markdown code. Put it on all the phones, why not? It's my new browser. Loving it. Music's becoming a bit annoying, I will be honest. But we need a picture of it, so I think I'll just keep my S24 connected. And we'll open Scrapsy again, and then we'll take a picture, put it on the GitHub. Yeah. And then that is it for today, people. So take this picture just to show it. Go to the theme. I know this ain't gonna fit, but it's worth it. Just see what it's like. I do this a lot. I should really just be testing it with HTML viewer. We're not messing with the bot anymore because I don't want to hit the token limit. We'll cut that. Hey. Oh well. I've installed it to all the devices that I need. I don't use them all at the same time, obviously, but I do have them there just in case one dies. I got another, and yeah. I hope you've enjoyed watching my rage baiting with Google AI Studio and my keyboard. There's nothing more to it. If I've got any more videos and things that I can come up with, or if I want to do another rage bait with Google AI at another time and record it, then I'll have another video for you people. But for now, that is it. And it's a bye from me, Claude Mods. Sorry about the music.